Let me consider the next concept in the lesson magnetism and matter. As per my knowledge, this question is considered to be most expected 2 or 3 mark question for upcoming examination. They may ask you to write some of the important properties of what? The magnetic field lines. I have considered the 3 perfect properties of what? The magnetic field lines. As we discussed earlier, the magnetic field lines what you are drawing around any magnet is to represent the nature of the magnetic field around the magnet. When you are drawing the magnetic field lines around any magnet, whether it is a natural magnet or electromagnet, the first property what you are noticing is the magnetic field lines always form closed loop. Unfortunately, if you compare with the properties of electric field lines never form closed loop. Electric field lines never form closed loop. But the magnetic field lines always form closed loop, which indicates that magnetic monopole never exists. Electric monopole ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ ಯಾವುದೇ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟ್ ತಗೊಳ್ರಿ ಆ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟ್ಗೆ ಮೋನೋಪೋಲ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ಆ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟ್ ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಎಷ್ಟೇ ಚಿಕ್ಕದಾಗಿರಲಿ, all the magnets are associated with 2 poles. One of its pole is called south pole and another pole will call it as a north pole. And the magnetic field lines, they never form closed loop, which means that magnetic field lines are directed from south to north pole inside the magnet and north to south pole outside the magnet, so that they form closed loop. Tell me, what is the first property of magnetic field lines? The first property of magnetic field lines is they form closed loop. Go to the second property. Look at the second property of what? The magnetic field lines. The second property is they never intersect each other. I guess you know very well, if the strength of the magnetic field is very strong, magnetic field lines will be closer to each other. If the strength of the magnetic field is very weak, then the magnetic field lines will be well separated from each other. Of course, however close they may be in the case of strong magnetic field, no 2 magnetic field lines intersect with each other. Magnetic field lines ಎಷ್ಟೇ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಇದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಯಾವುದೇ ಎರಡು ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಚಾನ್ಸೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಒಂದ್ ವೇಳೆ ಹಂಗೇನಾದ್ರೂ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆದ್ರೆ at the point of intersection, magnetic field must have 2 direction at a single point. ಒಂದೇ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಗೆ 2 ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಅದು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಕಲಿ ಇಂಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ the magnetic field lines never intersect each other. This is the second property of what? The magnetic field lines. Go to the third property. If you draw the magnetic field lines for any magnet, of course, the magnitude of the magnetic field is decided by how close the magnetic field lines are. ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾವೆ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಡೆನ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಇದ್ದಾವೆ, ಅದರ ಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಅನ್ನು ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Suppose if you want to know the direction of the magnetic field at any point, it's very simple. At what point you want to know the direction of the magnetic field, at that point just you draw a tangent on the magnetic field line that represents the direction of the magnetic field. Then what is the third property here? Tangent drawn at any point on the magnetic field line represent the direction of the magnetic field at that point. These are the three important properties of what? The magnetic field lines. Once again I will repeat. The first property is magnetic field lines never form closed loop. Second property, they never intersect each other. Third property, tangent drawn at a point on the magnetic field line represents direction of the magnetic field at that point. Of course, you can include few more properties here. If the magnetic field is very strong, field lines are very close to each other. If the magnetic field is weak, then the field lines are well apart from each other.